Hamadi from CEEE242P5A and ID number 2021861836.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Uzaimu Ismail Salahuddin and I am from group CEEE242P5A and my ID is 2021814942.
And today we will be introducing our mini project.
Okay, so we move forward to the introduction of Programmable Logic Controller, PLC. PLC can be described as industrial computer that have been set up to control manufacturing process such as assembly lines, machines, robotic devices or any activity that requires a highly processing system with high reliability with ease of programming and process fault diagnosis. PLC component may have various number inputs and outputs with processor to network it to other systems. There is many software that can be used or integrated by using PLC, such as SPS Series 7. In this era of globalization, there are various innovations and creativity that could be applied to our daily livelihood, such as machination that used PLC systems such as water dispenser or washing machines. This also could be applied to large industries, such as factories that their main productivity that are by using large machinations that requires to produce large amounts of products daily, such as filling machine control systems or automation production line. The main objective of our project is to fill the conditions by improving the system of sorting machine for some factory or facilities. There are three objectives for our project, which is first, to design, assembling and sorting system using factory I/O and with SPS Series 7. Second, to overcome the modern problem of low productivity of processing factory. Third, to sort the product according to each material and each size.
So based on our project, our lecturer have already given us the requirement for our mini project, which is 2 timers, 1 counter and 3 scenes or 3 sequence that needs to be achieved. So for the pick and place sequence, the medium box will go through the conveyor belt, and when it reach the sensor reach the pallet box from the another roller conveyor will be turned on, and it will move for about 7 seconds until it reach the sensor exit. And when the box actually hit the sensor from the 2 axis pick and place, the box will also collide with the sensor pick, and the grabber of the 2 axis pick and place will grab the box and put it in the box of the roller conveyor belt. And when the sequence is achieved, the box will hit the sensor of diffuse sensor 5, and the conveyor roller will continue to move on.
Okay, so for the middle conveyor, there will be 3 pushers which will segregate between blue, metal, green raw material and small boxes. When the blue vision sensor detects blue raw material, the pusher will push the raw material, and when it reaches the diffuse sensor, the pusher will reset to its position. This process repeats for metal and green raw material. Then, the small boxes will just go through along the conveyor.
For the sorting sequence, there are parts that will be emitted in the beginning of the roller conveyor, which is a small box, a medium box, a large box, and a blue, green and metal raw material. So these parts will be sorted by our ray emitting sensor, and we have already categorized it with high, medium and low sensors. So when a small item or small parts go through the ray emitting sensor, the pop-up wheel sorter will turn on. example, if the low sensor is triggered, the pop-up wheel sorter will continue to move straight, so the small objects will continue to move forward. And if the medium box is detected by the sensor, the pop wheel sorter will turn left, and the medium parts or objects will turn to the left conveyor belt, and vice versa with the large box, which will trigger the high box sensor, and the pop-up wheel sorter will turn to the right. That is the sorting system that we have achieved in this mini project. So about the counter, we already put a preset and a digital counter at the control switch, which is as stated above, and it can be sensed by the diffuse sensor 7, which will sense the object and count the number of the materials and boxes that have passes through the sensor, and it will count and state it at the digital counter. The preset was set at 100, so if the counter is already been reset, we can start at 100 based on the preset that was set earlier.